How to enable two-step verification on Roblox account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account on Roblox application. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well to process further. So as you're logged into your account, you'll be landing into your home page of Roblox application. So you just have to wait for a few seconds until it loads and takes you to the page. So here's the official home page over here. So what you simply need to do over here is tap on the more option at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on the more section at the bottom right corner, you can see the different options. So what you simply need to do is tap on settings. So let's tap on settings, tap on security, and as you tap on security, you'll be able to see there are different options that pops up. So here you can also see the option of two-step verification. So just wait for a while, and as you wait for a few more seconds, it shall definitely load over here. So let's scroll down, and here you can see the option of two-step verification. So you can either have your two-step verification enabled via an authenticator app or your email or any hardware security keys. So you can do whichever is most convenient for you. I'm going to go for email, and as you toggle on the email option, so let's toggle it on, and all you have to do is simply verify yourself. So after you verify yourself, you'll be able to enable two-step verification on Roblox. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.